Hello YouTube, it's Gabriel. Today I'm gonna try to teach you a simple recipe if you want to make some side dishes with anything. It's pretty simple. It's carrots and we're going to cook them in the oven. So you take some simple carrots and you add about a tablespoon of olive oil, some pepper, some salt, and very important, some thyme. It's better if you have fresh ones, but I'm gonna use some like this. So once you're done with the mixing, you put your oven at 400 degrees and you put them on the oven on a little plate just like this. – 400 degrees, 10 minutes. When it's done, you put them on the other side for an extra 10 minutes, and then it's gonna be perfect for you and your family. So I hope you enjoy. Please subscribe or like. Out of the oven should look just like this.